Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Will artificial intelligence, AI, take over the world? First, it's important to understand what AI is and how it works. Simply put, AI is a type of computer software that is designed to mimic human intelligence and behaviors. This can include tasks like learning, problem solving, and decision making. Now, when it comes to the question of whether AI will take over the world, it's important to remember that AI is simply a tool. It's not capable of having its own motivations or desires. It can only do what it's programmed to do. That being said, it's important for us as a society to carefully consider how we use and develop AI, and to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. There are certainly risks associated with AI, and it's important that we address these risks and mitigate them as much as possible. But at the end of the day, it's important to remember that AI is just a tool. It's not going to suddenly become sentient and take over the world on its own. So, let's continue to use AI in a responsible and ethical way, and work together to shape a bright and promising future for all of us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.